How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the map sensor on the 2018 to 2024 Toyota Camry. So if you look above the alternator, your map sensor is located right here. First, you need to disconnect the electrical connector. You can push down on this tab and it will release. Pull the connector straight back. Now we can remove this 8mm bolt. And on the bottom of the map sensor, you have this vacuum line. If you just twist this, just to break it loose, and then you can pull it straight off. Now you can take your new map sensor, and if you're wondering, yes, this is the old map sensor. I'm just taking a video to show you guys how to replace yours. Grab your vacuum line and plug that back in. Just make sure it's pushed down all the way. That's how you want it to look. And you can see this little alignment tab. Your map sensor goes onto that. And take your 8mm bolt, thread that back in. Now that our bolt is threaded tight, let's take your ratchet and just snug it up a little bit more. And that's all set. Grab your connector and plug that back in. And listen for the lock when you push it on. And just always double check it. And now the last step, to clear your check engine light for this code, you'll need a handheld OBD2 scanner and just erase the codes. To locate your OBD2 port, it's on the driver's side underneath the dash, right there, that white plug-in. And that completes this video on how to replace your map sensor. If this video helped you out, if you could give it a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button.